Namaste students, I Jeevin Indu, Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Mathology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will discuss about logic gates. So let's start. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of logic gates. Logic gates are the basic building block of any digital circuit. Logic gates are categorized into three categories. First category is basic logic gates, second category is universal gates, third category is other gates. Firstly, we will discuss basic logic gates. There are three types of basic logic gates. First is NOT gate, second is OR gate, and last one is AND gate. Firstly, we will discuss NOT gate. This is the logical symbol of NOT gate. NOT gate performs complementation. Complementation means when we provide the 0 at the input side of NOT gate, then the output will be 1. So the complement of 0 will be 1 and the complement of 1 will be 0. Now we will draw the truth table of NOT gate. Suppose A is the input of NOT gate and Y is the output of NOT gate. So if A is the input, then output will be A bar. If the value of A is 0, then Y will be 1. If the value of A is 1, then the output will be of NOT gate 0. Now we will discuss OR gate. OR gate performs logical addition. This is the symbol of OR gate. If A and B are the inputs of OR gate, then the output of OR gate will be A plus B. Now we will draw the truth table of OR gate. There are two inputs. That's why the total number of input combination will be 4. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If A is 0 and B is 0, then the output of the OR gate will be 0 plus 0, it means 0. If A is 0 and B is 1, then the output of OR gate will be 0 plus 1 will be 1. When A is 1 and B is 0, then output of the OR gate will be 1 plus 0 will be 1. also 1, then the output of OR gate will be 1 plus 1. In the OR gate, 1 plus 1 means 1. So we can see from the truth table that if all the inputs of the OR gate will be low, then the output of the OR gate will be low. If any one input of the OR gate will be high, then the output of the OR gate will be high. Next is AND gate. AND gate performs logical multiplication. This is the logical symbol of AND gate. If A and B are the inputs of AND gate, then the output of the AND gate will be A into B. Now we will draw the truth table of AND gate. Total number of input combination will be 4. If A is 0 and B is also 0, then the output of AND gate will be 0 into 0 will be 0. When A is 0 and B is 1, then output of the AND gate will be 0 into 1, it will be 0. When A is 1 and B is 0, then the output of AND gate will be 1 into 0, it will be 0. When A is 1 and B is also 1, then the output of AND gate will be 1 into 1, it will be 1. So we can say that if all the inputs of the AND gate high, then the output of the AND gate will be high. Otherwise, the output of the AND gate will be low. 0 means low, 1 means high. Now we will discuss universal gates. There are two universal gates. First is NAND gate and second is NOR gate. Before starting the NAND gate, we should know what is the meaning of universal gates. Universal gates mean we can design any logic gate by using these gates. Firstly, we will discuss NAND gate. NAND gate is the combination of NOT gate and AND gate. So NAND gate equals to NOT gate plus AND gate. It means that if the inputs of the NAND gate 0 0, then the output of the NAND gate will be 0 into 0, then complement. 0 into 0 means 0, and the complement of the 0 will be 1. In the NAND gate, the input bits will be multiplied and complement. So we know that NAND gate is the combination of NOT gate and AND gate. So firstly we will draw the symbol of AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate. Now we will take bubble at the output side. So this is the symbol of NAND gate. detail in the previous lecture. We will discuss NAND